Call him. You're afraid I am. Ma come for your papa, look there.
Me cash hop hot.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a little vlog for Romelio's 2-year-old birthday. We're a little late, but nevertheless, happy birthday to you. Okay guys, it's now February. We're 3 months behind with this video because of work, but I'm not going to throw away these clips, so I have to edit it anyway and post. So I took him to the Fisherman's Beach. I wanted to do a photo shoot, but that didn't work out. Me there, IG birthday will come. Come give me one walk out, you know. Me there with the beach. See birthday. Bird. 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 Go catch him. Bird. Go for him, Papa. Go for him. Yeah. Go for him. Run and go for him, puppy. Go for him. Call him. You're afraid I am. Ma come for your papa, look there. Ma pull it, watch out. Enough. You like? You like? What? What did you say? What did you say? Huh? Come, let's go. Come. So guys, I know that with God's will and guidance, I will be able to give him more better birthdays in years to come and more excitement. So I'm not going to chastise myself for not having the money to do the photo shoot or do something better, because God will take us there. Come here, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him. You alright? What? Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Watch ya. I ain't having it. I ain't having it. I don't want no water. I don't want no water. You don't want no water? Come. Get up, get up. See that? Nah, there's nothing, puppy. Make it stairs a little. Make it stairs a little. Nah, there's nothing, puppy. Run, run. Alright, I mean, that is on the circle. He doesn't need anybody right now. It's his birthday and he's having fun. Guys, we can't play it too long because the music, we don't want to get copyright.
Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time, bye guys. Have a great day.